a knife. What the magician is, who will tell me? You please. What the magician is? Subject verb. Swallowed. You please. It's a verb. Action verb. A knife. Direct object. Magician is a subject. A knife is. Swallowed is
action verb.
verb. AC and a knife is direct object. No, the question is why a knife is direct object. We'll tell you. You in the corner. Why a knife is direct object? Second last student in the corner. In the left corner, second last student. Please be quick. Yes, you. You know why only few students they are giving me answers? Why not all? It means you second last in this row. Second last you in this row. Why a knife is direct object?
Because the subject is directly affected on knife.
Subject is directly affecting the knife.
No.
Because the action of swallowing.
Action of swallowing is directly affecting a knife. Clear? That's the reason direct, knife is a direct object. Next one. Children often tell
Interesting
stories
to the parents.
to the parents. Clear? Children often tell interesting stories to the parents regarding their college. Okay? Children, subject. Clear? What is often? Related to time.
Adverb.
Related to frequency. Frequency adverb.
Adverb.
F-A. Frequency adverb. What the tell is? Somebody else please. You in the corner please. What the tell is? Wow, well done. Tell is a verb. Interesting stories. Direct object.
So it's not to the parents, it's their parents. It's not to the parents, it's their parents.
Tell interesting stories
To their parents.
to their parents. Clear? There may be to their. Clear? Interesting stories to their.
Parents.
So what the interesting stories is? That is interesting stories is direct object or indirect object? Direct object. Clear? To their parents. Let me know why. Why interesting stories is direct object and why to their parents is indirect object or their parents is direct object? Yes, sir.
Because the action of telling is directly
Affecting?
the interesting stories and then indirectly affecting the parents.
Well, that's good. That's you can say perfect answer. Clear? Next one, there is the next. The jury found him guilty. What the jury is? Yes, you.
Subject.
Mahallaka. Subject. Found. Found. They say found. British say found. Found.
Verb.
What is found? Wow, well done. Him. Direct object and guilty.
Indirect.
I know. Clear?
Object
Object complement.
Object complement. Yes, it is object complement. Sorry. It's object complement. Clear? Because it is completing the object. Action of finding is directly affecting him and then guilty is completing the object. Completing the object, not the sentence. Clear? Next one, they elected him chairman. They subject elected verb in direct object. Chairman. OC. Clear? Next one. He subject gave verb as indirect object.
Chance.
No chance.
Direct object.
Direct object. Clear? So his subject gave verb as indirect object. No chance, direct. Clear? 2-3 things I sent you in the group. That is, pronunciation. Clear? So here we are lucky enough that our language is similar to that of the British people. We have got similarities, but we feel shy. For example, I send a word cooker. Cooker. Ka sound is there
Yes.
in Urdu. Canada.
Canada. Yes.
Canada. Clear? Then there was another sound.
Pupo.
that I sent
Pupo. Pupo.
Ka
Pupo.
sound. People.
Yeah, people.
People. People. So we have got pa sound in our language and in their languages. There is another one that is cooker and total. Ta sound. Ta sound is there. Toker.
Toker.
We've got toker in Urdu.
Total.
Total. I've got a fuel from Total station. Clear? So there are ta sound, ka sound in our language. Don't be
Shy.
shy. Okay? Speak. Ka sound like the French people. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Allah Hafiz.